Hey guys, it's Peter Jordan, Lost Angler, and today we're going to talk about self-leveling trim tabs, or smart tabs, whatever you want to call them. There's actually two brands that you can look for. One's actually Smart Tabs, and one's Bennett. Bennett makes the self-leveling trim tabs, and it's what I chose for my boat. And we're going to talk about why I chose that tab, if it's the right tab for you, what the benefits of it are, and how they actually work. Okay, so we already did a video on trim tabs when we talked about hydraulic trim tabs and how they work. Essentially, smart tabs or self-leveling trim tabs have about the same basic idea. What they're doing is they're helping bring the bow down. Now, where with hydraulic tabs, I can choose which way my boat leans to port or starboard. I don't really have that option with smart tabs. But this is still a great choice for smaller boats, especially if I'm not so very much worried about keeling the boat into a chop. The way it works is it is a spring-loaded tab. Let's take a look at one real quick. Now this is on my boat. I have a G3 20 Bay DLX, and I used Bennett smart tabs, and I used them for a couple different reasons. The way they work is pretty neat. Here's what you do. So as you're going and you get up on plane, the tab lifts up. And this has got a lot of ump. I think this is like a 90 pound. It's freaking stout. So it stays up like that when you're on plane. Then when you're getting up on plane, the tab goes down like so. What this does is it reduces your time to plane. Now, was it a good choice for me? No, not really, because my boat needs a pad to run on, and this doesn't allow it to run on the pad because I can't get up on plane high enough. But if you're in a boat that doesn't need a pad, then yeah, it's a phenomenal option. We used to use it on Carolina skiffs when I worked for Sunrise Marine, and it really helped a lot. So let's take a look at another cool option about the way Bennett does things. Now, again, smart tabs essentially is the same idea, just looks a little bit different. Choose the one that's best priced for you and the one you like the best. Now, why did I decide to use the Bennett self-leveling tabs instead of the smart tabs? Well, the smart tabs are always in the down position, and with the Bennetts, I can choose whether or not they're in an up position or a down position. So let's take a look. So right here, you'll notice that the Bennett has a little piece of metal, a little piece of angle that allows it to go in and out. So if I pull this out, what it's going to do is it lets the tab go down to the down position. And as you can see, that thing drops with some force. So you want to try to do a little bit better as far as letting it up and down. So if I'm running and I may be worried more about speed, like in a tournament situation or whatever, then I'll leave it up all the time. But if I'm in really choppy water, then I might let it down. For me, this was not a good option again, but it could be a great option for you. What I would say is this. If you're in a boat that has run on a pad, not really a great option. And actually tabs for any boat that runs on a pad are not a great option. So that's something to keep in mind. Again, so let's say your boat is running. We got the tabs down and they're in action. And the boat leans to one side and or the other. Not a big deal. What we're going to do is, once the weight leans to one side, let's say there's more weight on this side, it's going to push this up just because of water pressure, and the other side is going to go down. It's going to help the boat to go level. So what's going to happen is whenever you're running a boat with self-leveling trim tabs, it won't let you keel to one side or the other, but it will do more to keep the boat level. So that's a really great option. So if I had a boat that didn't have a pad, these would be phenomenal. So they could be a great option for you. Take a look, see if it's the right kind of keel, or not keel, but running surface you need. So a nice deep V boat is phenomenal for it, but if your boat gets up on a pad like a bass boat or the kind of bay boat I have, it's not a great option. So keep it in mind, could be a great thing for you. Self-leveling trim tabs, do they work? Yes. They are a good option, and they're not terribly expensive. I think I paid $150 for these things, and they're really easy to put on. Luckily for me, my neighbor is a mechanic or a technician, and he did a great job. So thanks. I hope this is helpful, and we'll see you on the water.